First product on my list is... Wait, what's this? Ah, got it. Something that will totally surprise you. It's a multi-purpose product. Meet the 4-in-1 multi-purpose kitchen board. A super handy one and a must-have at your home. So, what can it do? Well, I said 4-in-1, right? First thing, it can be used as a normal serving tray to serve drinks, water, coffee, tea, etc. Second, it can be used as a vegetable cutting board. Yep, that's right. The center part is strong plastic. Third, here you go, magic. Just push the board in the center and tada, it turns into a basket, which you can use to store vegetables, fruits, etc.
Oh my god, Shan, that's crazy!
I know, right? But wait, that's not all. Push further and tada, it becomes a small tub, which you can use to wash vegetables, fruits, whatever you want to. There's a small knob here. Push and water drains via the hole. You can place it on the sink. Very handy during this COVID situation to wash vegetables, fruits and other stuff to make sure they are safe. The sides are made of silicone and outer frame and center is plastic. Bottom you have 4 legs to keep it sturdy. Overall decent build. Here are the dimensions to give you an idea. When you're done, just fold it and keep it wherever you want. It's even easy to carry during travel. A 4-in-1 foldable kitchen board that is a serving tray, a cutting board, a basket and a tub. For around Rs 399, a handy one to own or even to give someone. We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Next product on my list is again a handy one. Normally when you boil egg, cutting them to serve might sometimes turn messy, crumbling it. Huh?
Oops!
Well, not anymore. Check out the 2-in-1 egg cutter. This is super cool. Build is all plastic and solid. You have 2 types of cutter in this, thin slices and sectors. Each have super thin stainless steel strings that are sharp enough to cut. It's very easy to use. Let me show you. Open the cutter, place a boiled egg here and close the cutter. Ta-da! Look at that. Thin slices of eggs, neatly cut. Let me show you the sector. Egg goes here and ta-da! Nicely cut into 6 pieces. You can even cut 2 eggs at the same time. Look at that! Nicely cut boiled eggs ready to eat. Awesome, right? Convenient and easy without a mess. Overall, definitely a handy product in the kitchen. The 2-in-1 cutter costs around Rs 250 and the single cutter around 150. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Right, next product is kind of very interesting. Not sure many know about it, but will come in super handy. A silicone lid set. What is it? Well, let me show you. In the pack, you get 6 BPA-free silicone lids in different sizes. These are lids that you can use on any bowl, container, etc. or even directly on fruits, vegetables to keep them safe. Let's assume you have a food or even fruit item which you want to store. Just pick a lid as per the bowl size and stretch and fix on it. Pull the edge, press in the middle and now it's airtight. Yep, you heard me right. Handy when you store leftovers in the fridge or outside. It's magical to see it adapt to different shapes, even square boxes. And guess what? It's watertight as well.
What does it mean?
Meaning, see this. I will seal this jar filled with water with a silicone lid. And turn it upside down. Do you see that? It doesn't spill. Cool, right? But the coolest use is to store fruits and vegetables directly. Let's assume you have a half-cut watermelon. Keeping it open in the fridge or outside will likely spoil it quickly. Just take a lid, cover, bam. Seal tight and store. Muskmelon, papaya, whatever you want to. Best part is, it's easy to wash and it's even dishwasher safe. Oh hey, it's microwave safe too. Isn't that awesome? Trust me, for Rs 275 you get 6 lids in different sizes. Totally worth it and will come in handy during different situations at home. You won't know it until you start using it. We'll leave the best buy link in the description. Check it out. Cutting vegetables at home is always a problem. That too if you want to cut them in small chunks. Well, this takes care of that like magic. When I say magic, I mean it. Here is the Pigeon Handy Chopper XL. Excellent solid build. It's BPA-free plastic. The capacity of this is 900 ml. The previous one was a smaller 500 ml from Solimo. Anyways, the good thing is it does not work on electricity or battery, but simple hand mechanism using this handle. Inside you have a 5-piece blade for chopping vegetables. And you also get a mixture blade which you can use for beating eggs, making lassi, buttermilk, whatever. It's super easy to use. Fix the blade in the middle, then cut the vegetables that you want to chop and put it inside the chopper. Close the lid and pull this handle 5 to 6 times. For hard vegetables, you need to apply more force. And ta-da! Isn't that magic? Can you even imagine chopping these small pieces in less than 4 to 5 seconds manually? That would be impossible. But this takes care of that. Potato. Bam! Onions? Yep, you got that. Beans? Oh yeah. Chop anything you want. Now using the mixture blade, you can make lassi, buttermilk, beat eggs for omelette, and do tons more. A vegetable chopper and a mixer, it's a 2-in-1 product. In a few seconds, you get nicely chopped vegetables. The smaller one costs around Rs 250, where you get only the chopper blade, and the big one costs around Rs 500, where you get both the chopper and the mixture blade. It's totally worth it. Just grab it and you will love it. Can also be a wonderful gift to someone. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out.